Now, the next thing we'll see how we can upload the images for Firepower FTD. So it's a kind of simple process. We will be uploading the FMC image as well as we'll be uploading the FTD images both from the local machine to the to your EVNG. So we assume we already have the EVNG set up. Now I do have my setup on my server here, basically where I'm running my EVNG, and I'm going to log into this 192.168.15.162 from my local device. So this is from where I'm going to log in. So if you want, the first thing we need to select, right click and click on node. When you select here, when you say Firepower, you should see this device. Now here you can see the device it lists because I have image uploaded here. Basically, you need to have these images uploaded. And in case if these images are not uploaded, then you're going to do the same way as you normally do for other images. So you will be using some software called WinSCP, the FTP uploader. And using this, you need to connect to your EVNG. So I'm running EVNG on 162, that is the IP address. So if you remember, this is the IP address 192.168.15.162. Even though it is on my server, my laptop is also connected to that. And the username, the CLI username, and the password, whatever you set. Now, once you connect, now the right side, you will see these options. Now the right side options where you will be uploading the images to here, to EVNG. And the options, what you see on the left side, this is going to be a local machine. So we assume we already downloaded our softwares here. So you're going to assume that we already have the images downloaded into my local machine from my from the Cisco website or from wherever you want, probably from the Google Drives. And we need to upload this image to your EVNG. So the process is simple. We need to select the location where exactly you have the image. So you can select those images and we need to upload to that. Basically, I have to select the Firepower images, whatever the Firepower images. But one thing, we need to make sure that we are going to upload into the specific location. Now the location will be /opt and unit lab, add-ons, and chemo. So this is the actual path where you need to upload the images. So the images is something you need to add. That's something mandatory. So make sure that you browse this particular path. So I need to go to /opt, this one, and then unit lab, and then add-ons, and make sure that you open this chemo images. So most of the images like Cisco IS, Firepower, or even some SD-WAN images you can see here, which I'm using, Windows machines, they're all the same process. So basically there's no much difference between them process. So it's almost the same thing. So we need to locate the image, whatever the image is, you need to locate on your local drive. Like here you can see, let's say I'm using this FMC and FTD. So I need to select those images and click on upload. So I'm not going to do this because it just takes some time, probably 15-20 minutes or even half an hour, depending upon that. So it's already done here. So I don't need to do it. And that's what you can see. I do have this FMC image already uploaded on the right side. And also I do have the FTD image uploaded here. Now these images are already there. So which means I don't need to do this. And that's the reason here you can see when I say click on node. So when I say Firepower, if I go back to my device here, I think I closed this one. So if I go back and open up my EVNG on 192.168.15.162, now this topology already has started the devices because it just takes some time. So when we select these options, we should see these options here, FMC, FTD. So if you want FMC, we have to select the FMC image. If you want FTD, we need to select the FTD image. So depending upon the number of images you upload, you will see the options here. And probably the RAM, you require at least 8 GB RAM, and the number of interfaces as per the requirement. So that's how you're going to add. And click on save. Once you click on save, then you will see the image will be listed here. Now the same way you have to add the FMC also. So when you select here, we need to select this FMC image, and you can change the name if you want, and then you can click on save. And the rest of the things like connectivity, everything, it's just like the same thing. You can drag the cable and connect to the specific interfaces as per my topology. So anyway, in this, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to delete these devices as I already have these devices in my topology here.